Hey everyone, welcome to the Bulb Digital Recap and Blooper Reel. So you probably don't know us, but we run the marketing team here and usually try to stay behind the camera, but we decided to show our faces for at least one video in 2023.
We've had a great year and just passed 20,000 subscribers. We've just had a fun video and new planner go out and wanted to end the year on a high note.
Before we show you our blooper reel, we just wanted to say thank you. Thanks for watching, commenting, and sharing in the pursuit of modern workplaces.
We've got some great things planned for 2024, but for right now, let's just pause and share in the joy of another year coming to a close.
Make sure to leave a comment with what you want to see or what projects you're looking to accomplish in the new year. All right, enough chit chat. Let's roll the bloopers.
Are we all sound tested and everything?
Yep,
I
just checked with what you talked about.
Sick. Cool.
Can I go? We good?
Yep.
Okay. You get on the microphone? You want to do a check?
Check, check. Check, check. Can you hear me?
Okay, that was the intro. Cool.
Yeah, I think so.
We going? Sorry, my shoes are off. I gotta get my shoes back on. Yeah, I had like slipped them off and now I'm like.
Because we have this mission outside of. Because we have. Keep saying
And I ask,
And that information, blah, 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 blah. Cut that.
We asked participants, sorry, there was a hair in my face.
Compliance. Okay, video story, Hallmark compliance. Why use many word when few word do trick?
so as I was reaching,
Is that it? Is that what we want? Okay. Woo! Now we do it. How do we do it? Let's go.
all right. Now Ben can get up for the 30th time to turn on the teleprompter. All right.
The context. Context. I see why people don't like the video making process.
I kind of want to do something funny.
A piece of our overall blog writing.
That was like my first time learning that one.
Okay, yeah, I've got an idea.
I'm gonna cry. Just kidding. But I'm not.
And then I would just.
No.
No.
Just kidding.
Which leads me to my next. Benjamin. This is why I need a script. Okay.
I was so close. I was so close. I always feel like I gotta like get my game face on.
Yeah.
And I'm like, let's go.
I almost feel like I need to do like.
Worry about. I'm not gonna add that part.
Thank you.
I liked the first take better.
So we want to emphasize how important it is, how you.
Just say that.
So what did we learn today? We learned that, I hate that. I hate that when people do that in videos. I don't want to do that. Okay.
I think I'm having too much fun with this. I gotta like.
To house those documents and layout. I feel like I'm just saying the same thing.
Okay. I know I was rambling. It was largely unorganized.
I don't know if we.
It's their espresso martini, but they add like cold brew concentrate or something. Oh, it's so good. It's like an espresso chocolate milk slushy.
Again, I'm really excited for Microsoft to fix their crap. So thanks for sticking with us, and we'll see how it goes in the next few months here.
Hey, everybody.
Benjamin keeps making me record this.
Somebody should ask, why is 10% zoom an option in Microsoft Word?
Come here, come guest star on my video. Why are you here today with me? You know?
It's just more vomit, but I think it makes sense.